how you can add your job details on your profile. Hey everyone, welcome back. And here today I'm back with another REDnote app tutorial. And this time I'll show you guys whether you're showcasing your professional side or letting people know what you do. This feature can make your profile shine. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open up the REDnote app and just make sure to log into your account and then we can get started. Once you open up your REDnote app, tap on your profile page on the bottom right corner. And once you get here, you'll just have to edit your profile. Just tap on the profile section like this. And now, once you get to your profile page, scroll down until you find the Choose Job option. Just tap on Choose Job. Currently, there are no English versions for the job. So if you want to find your job, you'll have to translate each one of them. Or if you already know Chinese, then that's pretty great. You can choose your job from here. And here are certain subcategories for your jobs as well. You can select it. Don't forget to tap on the save icon to save your job. You can add up to 2 jobs at a time. So just tap on save. And once you do that, it will save your job on your profile. And if you want to add another one, just tap on add job and then choose another job. Tap on save. And now if you want to showcase it on your profile, make sure the toggle is on. And if you go back, it will automatically save your information. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily add a job on your REDnote profile. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more quick and easy REDnote tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.